Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hey, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions, coming to you from the Photo Managers Conference in Denver, Colorado. And this is Sandra Williams, and you're from DC.
Yeah, DC area. I live in Vienna, Virginia, which is a suburb of Washington,
Okay.
DC.
And the name of your company?
It's Infinity Photo Solutions.
Okay. And what's something that you've done with a client this past year that is interesting?
So I just finished up a project with a client that was multiple generations. So we started with the pictures of his parents and all of the pictures that they owned, and we did physical photo organizing. We scanned those pictures. We scanned 350 slides, some negatives, was kind of a mishmash of everything, and then we ultimately did his collection as well.
Okay.
And so now he has sort of two generations of photos all organized in one place.
And is he going to do something with those, or is he just has them now? They're all archived because they were physical. Now they're also digital.
No, he has plans to do things with his photos. He really wanted to share the photos with other family members, and so I set him up with a cloud account that he could share. And actually, I can sort of see if people are got new accounts, and he's been great. I mean, there's probably 10 people that he have accounts that are kind of looking in at his pictures, and so that's awesome because I like to see people using the setup that we make for them. And I know he wants to make some photo books. I think the first plan is they are doing some renovations in their home, and so they want to get new pictures on the wall. So I think he's going to be doing some framing from the photos. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's always important to use your photos to tell your story so they will last for generations.